angels, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I've collaborated again with a lovely bunch of ladies to bring you our Easter collaboration video. This video is titled Eggcellent, so we've gone with egg themes. So the ladies that are in this collaboration are Afoma, Afoma.O, Candace from Candace Hampton, Rachael from Rae Young, Rachael from Pixie Rae MUA, Lisa the Curvy Cuban, Shelly Shalaka, and myself have all come together to bring you a fun and upbeat Easter inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look today, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to show all the ladies in this collaboration some love as well. I will link all their channels and videos down below as per usual. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and stay positive and stay safe. And let's just jump straight into the video, and I love you always. I'm starting off with the brows already done just to save time, and then I'm going to use my P. Louise base in Rumour 0.5, and I'm going to carve the brows out and set the lids ready for shadow. I am of course going to be using my James Charles palette in this video because it's got all the colours that you need. And I'm going to use the Glitter Junkie Metallic Eye Pigment. This is from Primark and it's in the shade Illusion. While that's still wet and tacky, I'm going to use the Glitter Shaker from Stargazer, and this is in Holographic. Some mascara, so this is the LA Girl Boom Lash mascara. And then I'm just going to add some lashes and I'll be right back. So that's lashes on, guys, and we're going to go straight on to the rest of my face. So I'm going to take you out a little bit. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Pro Base by MUA. This is the priming oil with gold flakes in. So I'm going to be using this foundation today. This is the Lula, I think that's how you pronounce it, Lula. I got it from Amazon. It was only a couple of pounds, about £3.99, something like that. Using the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in C1. To powder down, I'm going to be using my Revolution Loose Powder. Bronzer, I haven't used this palette in a while. It's my Imagination with collaboration with Revolution. I'm going to be using this palette, which is the Colour Story Glow palette, and it's got blushes and highlighters in. I'm going to use this blush. little bit of spray with the Collection Prime and Ready Dew Spray. I'm going to try and freehand an egg or something on the side of my face. So wish me luck. Using the yellow out of the James Charles palette, I'm just going to paint the egg yellow. Just across here, just to start making like the shapes of an Easter egg, if you know what I mean, like the pattern. Orange from the James Charles palette and go under the under eye. And then across the nose with the orange. Go around the black of the egg just to see if I can make it a bit more 3D. Makes it a little bit more 3D. Of these jewels. Lipstick on, so I'm gone for a bright pink from Makeup Revolution. Then I'm going to pop a Makeup Forever pink lip gloss on top as well, and this one is just decided I want to put a few little freckles on the nose, so I'm going to be using my NYX white gel liner. So this is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get updated every single time that I upload a new video. I know this video has probably been all over the place, but I've had so much fun doing it. And don't forget to show your love to the other ladies that are in this collaboration as well. And also stay safe and stay at home, guys. Love you all. Stay beautiful.